Welcome to Learn English Daily.
20 common English mistakes plus corrections.
He go to school every day.
He goes to school every day.
I'm agree with you.
I agree with you.
She didn't went to the party.
She didn't go to the party.
I'm having a pen.
I have a pen.
My self-nition.
I nischen.
He is senior than me.
He is senior to me.
She is more smarter than him.
She is smarter than him.
I look forward to meet you.
I look forward meeting you.
She is my cousin's sister.
She is my cousin.
I didn't knew the answer.
I didn't know the answer.
I didn't told you that.
I didn't tell you that.
She do her homework now.
She does her homework now.
He don't like tea.
He doesn't like tea.
I'm eating lunch yesterday.
I ate lunch yesterday.
She sings good.
She sings well.
He is more taller than me.
He is taller than me.
I'm looking forward to see you.
I'm looking forward to seeing you.
She didn't studied for the exam.
She didn't study for the exam.
He prefer coffee than tea.
He prefers coffee to tea.
I'm having headache.
I have a headache. Which mistake did you also make? Comment below.